Everyone, myself Selen. Today I make the second video for class 8 of mathematics of lesson 1 rational number. In my previous video lastly we explained closure property for rational number. Now we explain commutative property for rational number. So we explain commutative property. According to commutative property, adding two rational number in any order result become equal. Let a upon b and c upon d are two rational number. Thus a upon b plus c upon d is equal to c upon d plus a upon b. For example, 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5 are two rational number. Thus 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. It means 1 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 5. Therefore 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. In this example we have to clear adding two rational number in any order result become equal. So we can say that according to commutative property, adding two rational number in any order result become equal. Therefore commutative property applied on addition of rational number. Now we check commutative property on subtraction. Let a upon b and c upon d are two given rational number. Thus a upon b minus c upon d is equal to c upon d minus a upon b. For example, one upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. It means 1 minus 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 1 upon 5. Therefore, minus 1 upon 5 is not equal to 1 upon 5. Hence, commutative property do not apply on subtraction. Now, we check commutative property on multiplication. If a upon b and c upon d are two given rational number, thus a upon b multiply c upon d is equal to c upon d multiply a upon b. It means multiplying two rational number in any order result become equal. For example, 1 upon 5 multiply 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 5. Therefore 2 upon 25 is equal to 2 upon 25. Hence commutative property applied on multiplication of rational number. Now we check division. If a upon b and c upon d are two given rational number, thus a upon b divide c upon d is equal to c upon d divide a upon b. It means dividing two rational number in any order result become equal. Okay. For example, 1 upon 5 divide 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5 divide 1 upon 5. When we solve of this example, we find 1 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 1. It means 5 upon 10 is not equal to 10 upon 5. Hence, commutative property do not applied on division. Now we explain associative property. According to associative property, three rational number can be added in any sequence, result become equal. So we check associative property for addition. Let A upon B, C upon D and E upon F are three given rational number. Thus we have to write A upon B plus under bracket C upon D plus E upon F is equal to under bracket A upon B plus C upon D plus E upon F. It means adding three rational number in any order, result become equal. For example, suppose 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are three rational number. Three rational number are given. Thus 1 upon 5 plus under bracket 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to under bracket 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. We change their order. We find 1 upon 5 plus 2 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 5. 1 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. It means 1 upon 5 plus 5 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. Therefore, 6 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 5. So, associative property applied on addition. Finally, we conclude associative property for addition. Adding three rational number in any order, result become equal. Now we check associative property for subtraction. According to associative property, A upon B minus under bracket C upon D minus E upon F is equal to A upon B minus C upon D minus E upon F. So we check through example. One upon 5 minus under bracket 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Now we solve this example. 1 upon 5 minus under bracket 2 minus 3 is equal to under bracket 1 minus 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. It means 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to minus 1 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Now 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon minus minus plus 1 upon 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Therefore 2 upon 5 is not equal to minus 4 upon 5. Therefore associative property do not apply on subtraction. Okay, according to associative property, multiplying three rational number in any order result become equal. Suppose a upon b multiply under bracket c upon d multiply e upon f is equal to a upon b into c upon d into e upon f. It means multiplying three rational number in any order result become equal. For example, 1 upon 5 multiply 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 is equal to under bracket 1 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. We find 1 upon 5 into 6 upon 25 is equal to 2 upon 25 into 3 upon 5. It means 6 upon 125 is equal to 6 upon 125. Hence associative property applied on multiplication. Now we check associative property for division. If a upon b, c upon d and e upon f are three rational number, thus we write a upon b divide under bracket c upon d divide e upon f is equal to under bracket a upon b divide c upon d divide e upon f. For example, 1 divide 5 divide under bracket 2 upon 5 divide 3 upon 5 is equal to under bracket 1 upon 5 divide 2 upon 5 divide 3 upon 5. Thus 1 upon 5 divide, first we calculate the value of 2 upon 5 divide 3 upon 5 because we apply BODMAS rule. Therefore 2 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 3 is equal to under bracket 1 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 2 divide 3 upon 5. It means 1 upon 5 divide 5 to the 10 upon 15 is equal to 5 upon 10 divide 3 upon 5. It means 1 upon 5 multiply 15 upon 10 is equal to 5 upon 10 multiply 5 upon 3. 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15. It means 3 by 10 is not equal to 5 by 6. Therefore associative property do not apply on division. Okay, today is my last topic. Now we continue in next video. Thank you everyone.